Biggest tree on the property. Tall guy, of course, tulip poplar. You're right, Ingrid. Still green. All the rain we got. If we get that much precipitation this winter, we're going to be snowed in for a long time. Certainly won't be using our entranceway. Those lilacs are just mowed over. Wow. But there'll be, most of it won't be broken. What a pretty scene. Big old oak tree. Pretty. Cherry tree. Trees get old. Almost glad to see that branch down. Any weight that we can take off of that maple. Probably a good thing. That's a big guy. 60 years old. Thought it was older. Uh-oh. Branch just fell. Look at that. The whole canopy is gone. It's just leaning over on the house. Pretty amazing. Brunch tomorrow? I doubt it.
We missed a season.
It'll come back.